Hello my friends, it's NJ World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in 3 minutes get rid of cracked heels naturally and get soft baby feet with very simple ingredients. If you do have cracked heels and this is super painful and it doesn't look attractive and it makes you struggle with this magical remedy, you will get rid of the cracked heels and you will get an amazing results, my friends. From first use, you will notice a great results overnight, and in the next morning, you will notice that your heels is getting softer and you get rid of the cracked heels naturally. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So make sure to subscribe. So the first ingredient, my friends, to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. You can add any white toothpaste available for you. Add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Then, my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder, it's not gonna work the same. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and Vaseline deeply moisturizes the skin, and with the ingredients will get you an amazing results, my friends. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. You can add any coconut oil available for you. We need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on the cracked heels like that and massage the skin with it for 3 minutes, and then wear a pair of socks and go to sleep. In the next morning, you will notice a great results in your heels. Your heels will be soft like baby and you will be amazed with the result. Use it every night before you sleep to achieve the best result ever. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.